I'm tired of having regular food. So instead, I'm gonna have chicken broth.
I think this is the best, like, not too strong, not too light of a flavor. If you like that shit.
This shit better be fucking good.
I'm getting really hot. Wow, that smells. Why does it smell like brownies?
So I thought today I would review chicken broth. I know it's like, why chicken broth? Well, I am on another fast, so I can only have chicken broth. And I have 4 of them for you to try today. It's very interesting because a lot of these are at different calories. So this is like 5, this one's 15, 10, and 5. So I'm interested to see if these taste different or all the same because it's chicken broth. And I'm thinking like, how can you really make chicken broth different? It's literally just the branding of each company.
Let's see how this tastes. Interesting. So the chicken broth tastes very, how do you say it? It tastes very chickeny brothy. And it's very distinctive. You know this shit is chicken. You know this shit is fucking hot and chicken. Like, I for sure know I didn't get scammed. Like, it's definitely chicken broth, alright. It's good. It's really good though. I give it like an 8 out of 10 for sure. Out of the chicken broth scale. Ugh, it's hot. Evaluate your homemade with rich, full-bodied flavor. This should be interesting. I'm curious to kind of understand the taste of this. Oh man, I'm excited for this one. From the packaging, this looks the most appetizing. Cheers. Oh wow. This really has a strong chicken taste. Probably my favorite actually. Very refreshing. How many calories is this? Oh, this is 15. This is the most calories too, so it makes sense. For 1 cup, it's 15 calories. So it makes sense that it's the most sweetened chicken broth. Oh, I give it a 9 out of 10. So this one's organic, which I'm assuming is gonna make it taste better. Let's see if my taste buds are valid. Little ASMR, you know? Oh no, that is not good. That's disappointing because we've been going up on the scale of chicken broth. and this is like a 2 out of 10. This is not good. Organic is not good. See, that is the problem. I'm American. This is organic, right? You would think the organic should taste better. But the organic, in this instance, does not taste good at all. It doesn't even taste like chicken. Like, it's a chicken broth, and it doesn't taste like chicken. Imagine that. Ooh, hot. Ooh. Kroger chicken broth. 34% less sodium. Do not disappoint me, Kroger. Why does it smell like brownies? Wow, guys. So, it has a very strong taste. It's a chicken taste, but it's very strong. Like the other ones weren't like a strong taste. This one is a very, very like distinctive taste. I think this is the best, like, not too strong, not too light of a flavor. So if I was to rate this, what would I rate this? A 10 out of 10. Why I say that is the fact that the flavor is not too strong. So if you're fasting and you don't want a strong flavor of chicken broth, this is the best chicken broth. The Kroger. I am all chicken broth out. Chicken broth is not as bad as you think. It's literally just chicken and water. Pretty straightforward. Got a lot of shit done today. A lot of chickens were consumed in this vlog. No chickens were harmed in the making of the chicken broth, or maybe, quite frankly, I'm sure a lot of chickens were harmed in making that chicken broth. But yeah, thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next vlog. Bye, guys.